Hello and welcome back everyone, Baron here. Today we're gonna make an experiment with hydrophobic sand or water-fearing sand or water-avoiding sand or waterproof sand. You can call it what you want. You see, it has kind of like a glimmer around it, which is actually air. So the sand is not wet, it's dry. And it's either gathering in the lower part of the container or floating on top. And it's really hard to take up with a spoon because since it resists the water, I'm just pushing it with the water, pushing the sand with the water and just get water in the spoon. I'll do my best here to fool it. There I got quite a good amount. I'm just gonna get rid of the water and pour in the sand. So let's gather in another container some sand. You can see the water and the sand is separated. Let's drip some water on it. You can see it won't blend with the sand at all. It just goes on top and gather with other water. So let's see if we can gather some water in the top part here. Looks like we can, and if it goes beside it will just slide off. But what if we take it from a higher place and let it drop? You can see it like small craters in it, and if the crater is big enough, drop will stay there. Let's make a bigger hole and see if we can gather a larger amount of water there. Works great, just like in the water but opposite. Let's pour some more. You can see it gather what it can, the rest just slides off. It's really interesting to play around with, and it's a strange effect. It's almost like magical feeling. Not even if I pour much, it won't blend, it won't get wet. One time long ago I got a jacket from subscribing to a paper magazine, and it's called Nanotex, and it's said to be waterproof with some kind of nano coating. We're gonna try it, and we're gonna start with some water, and it just slides off. So works very good with water, won't get wet at all. I will try a soda. Just slides off as well, so seems to work quite fine. But what about, let's see, ketchup? Gonna try to put a good amount here, and it doesn't slide off as easy. Some of it. Let's try to drip some water on it. Something is happening. And yes, I know I'm missing the camera quite a lot. Let's pour some more water here. Seems to work quite good with water, but it wasn't that really good effect I was hoping on. It seems like all is gone now. No traces. So let's try with some food oil as well. And I'm missing the camera again. I know, I'm sorry. Let's pour this oil. No, I try to pour water. I get no effect at all. So food oil sticks, ketchup is possible to get off with water, but food oil I needed to take a paper. And that was all for me today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you next week.